Over 400,000 of you watched my last video on the reverse sneeze. But if your dog is making a terrifying goose honking sound instead, your first instinct is probably to panic and think they are choking. But it might actually be a silent sign of something completely different: heart failure. This terrifying sound is frequently the primary warning sign of congestive heart failure. Here's why. When a dog's heart begins to fail, the muscle physically enlarges. It expands so much inside the chest cavity that it presses upward, physically crushing against the trachea from the bottom up. Advanced heartworm disease can also cause this for the exact same reason. Either way, that constant mechanical pressure irritates the airway, triggering a chronic cough that starts soft, but turns into that exact goose honk. So how do you tell the difference between a simple throat irritation and something dangerous? You look at when it happens. A standard airway issue usually triggers when your dog gets excited, runs around, or pulls on their leash. But a heart cough is different. It sneaks up when the dog is completely relaxed, sleeping, or lying down, especially at night or early in the morning. If your pup is honking while resting, don't wait. Get them to the vet for a chest x-ray immediately. Drop your dog's breed in the comments, tell me when they cough, and hit follow so you never miss a life-saving breakdown.